Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here with another video. Thank you so much for being here. This time I'm gonna show you a little analysis for how was the day today and what we did and what the market did, actually, the formation that it had on Nasdaq and US 30. So a few things here actually that I wanted to show, starting always from the daily. All right, let's see what we're having, what type of formation we're having. I did send on my Telegram group. I sent you guys an entry somewhere around here. You see this big wick? You see this big wick rejection right there? Big wick rejection in this 4-hour zone. Plus right here, there's another like zone that didn't want it to break. You see the body of the candle closing. So this, to me, it could be a double bottom. Could be a big double bottom right there. Very nice double bottom before this thing starts actually pushing up. The day it's over, Friday. So when the market was somewhere around here, I was seeing a small doji right here, a small pin bar formation. I decided to, just take the risk and make the entry because I know this is a very strong zone right there. So I put my stop loss below, and I know this entry, I'm going to have to hold it for a little while. So at the moment, this is what we have. This is how it's looking on a 4-hour. On a 1 hour, it's looking a little bit better. Look at that. Even 15 minutes, I spotted this reversal flag. Plus, look at this. Look at this beautiful divergence right there. See that beautiful divergence? Right. 1 sec. All right. There we go. Beautiful divergence right there. All we need to do is wait for the breakout. It was too early to me. Like when it broke the actual chart, the actual flag right there, I was sleeping. This was like a 4 a.m. in the morning. So then I woke up. I had to do a few things. I was not watching the charts like right away. So I started watching the charts somewhere around 7 a.m. So it was somewhere around here where I actually decided to make the entry. It was a little risky because we were already on top. The best entry of this flag would have been here. Okay, so I always tell you, on the breakout, you enter on the breakout. Stop loss below the last low, and you let it go, I think. And you aim to take profit at least to this high, okay, to this previous zone right there. You would have take 473 pips. Beautiful right there on US 30. However, because like I mentioned, I was sleeping, I did not catch it right here in this position. This is the entry point. Remember, all the entry points should be right here on the breakout, okay? Same here in this formation, the entry point is right there, okay? Concentrate on those points. So I did miss it. Look where I made the entry. I made the entry here, but why? Why I made the entry? I made one entry. I sent you a voice note on my Telegram group saying, hey guys, I'm making a small buy. So I did a small buy here, 0.01. The price was pushing, okay? And if I would have been a little bit more patient, I would have waited maybe for the pullback, okay? This is a zone in the past, right there, as I mentioned. It's a very strong zone. So the price did actually create a pullback. Now look at this. From this push, let's say from the entire push, from the very low to the very high, which is this one. Look at what the price reacted, giving you an engulfing candle right there. So I did enter twice right here. And I put my stop loss below the 60%, somewhere around there. Okay, a few pips below. So, and I'm holding. So far, I have 3 entries right now on US 30. Let's see what's going to happen. Now you see the price is actually breaking. It's starting to break its structures to the upside. You see these 4-hour zones that I had drawn here previously in the past. So price broke recently this previous low, previous resistance, broke it. I'm pretty sure that this is going to have some consolidation maybe on Monday. By the time it opens, the market may reach this thing. It might bounce, might play around, and I hope it continue now pushing up. All right, something like that. But it was a beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. If I would have been patient, I would have actually made all my entries right here. But it was a little risky entering aggressively right there. So be careful with that. But that's the formation right there. Really nice. Look at this. Look at the chart. Like I mentioned, don't worry if I mentioned. Don't get frustrated if you were not able to catch that formation. These formations, you're gonna see them everywhere. See, I'm gonna let them right there. So, and like as we move on, we're gonna see all these formations. Okay, all the flags, bullish flags, or reversal flags. They do happen a lot. Okay, so don't worry if you miss an entry like that, or like this one, or like this one right there, or like this one right there. You will notice that these are very effective, and they do happen every single time. Okay, some weeks you're gonna have them happening more times than other weeks, but that's fine. It's part of the game. But the idea of this is to enter where you should be entering. Okay, you see, if I would have made the entry here, boom, it would have been nicer. I would have been deep in profit already. How many pips I missed in there? Pretty much from my entry, from the first entry I did, 333 pips late. Jesus, and still I was able to catch. I'm still holding, um, 339 pips. So I would have double. I would have doubled that basically. So let me just open now my WMA lines and let's see the formation. Okay, let's try to study. You see what I mean, that this on the TP strategy. Look at the breakout. The breakout happens. It breaks the actual flag plus is coming below now the 100 line, and we're below my WMA lines. If we use the RSI, you see that we are below the 50% on the RSI. Let's see the Ichimoku as the last. Boom, you see you have the three signs right there, three indicators telling you to sell, plus you have your price action, which is confirming the breakout of the flag right there. Beautiful. So let me see. Also right here, let's go on 5 minutes. And let's try to detect the breakout. You see everything is happening right there. You see all the breakouts happening right there. The price is breaking the actual flag. Price is getting on top. We are getting on top on the RSI of 50, above the 50% of the RSI, and the Ichimoku cloud. I'm pretty sure we are also getting on top. Yeah, right here we were getting on top in there as well. So really nice how this works. So, anyways, let me see it on a big time frame. Let me go on 4 hours. Like I want this thing to start climbing on top of it. Like it's still, you see, it showed the rejection right there on the 100, the purple line. So still concerning because this could just bounce. It could reject that zone and could come back down again. I hope not. Now that I'm seeing on a daily, I'm seeing this nice double bottom right there, and I hope this thing will actually continue pushing up now. It will make the correction because this thing in China keeps affecting. So looking good. I hope it will continue pushing up. I'm not sure if I'm going to move my stop loss to break even yet. I know I'm 300 on top already. Maybe if I start seeing signs of breaking this zone, breaking this 4 hour zone right there, I might be closing. But you see that on a 1 hour at least, we are actually climbing on top of the 100, which is kind of good sign already. So let's try it. Yeah, I think this is gonna definitely continue pushing up. Looking at it from this perspective, yeah, I do believe this is gonna still continue pushing up on Monday next week. Let's go with Nasdaq. Beautiful. Look at this setup. This is killer. Just right there on a 1 hour. I'm not gonna move it. Just right there. Look at this. What do you see? So let me go again on the past. Look at all those flag formations. As I always tell you with the TP strategy, look right there. You have all those confluences. Look at that. Beautiful confluences. What else do you want? What more do you want? Look at this bearish formation and is detecting the breakout. The breakout is happening just right there. It's not broken yet, but it's getting like the one, you see the 100 almost now is starting to get below but the breakout has not happened yet. I'm pretty sure that by the time it breaks here very strong, this is going to be your entry, okay? Entry point right there, boom. If you wait for the candle, body of the candle to close on top of this Ichimoku cloud plus the 100 line plus breaking your trend, your formation, your flag formation, reversal flag, and now seeing the RSI also, you are on top of the 50%. So plus now you have the divergence. My goodness, how many confluences you see there, guys? How many confluences? I just love this thing, man. I love this thing. It gets me excited when I see this type of setups and formations. You just gotta be patient. Let me go. Let me remove those lines now, right now, just at the moment. Let's try to go on a daily. See how it's looking on a daily. Right there, we're still in a trend. You see the massive pullback, massive pullback. Let's say you want to count this as the push, the entire push, no pullback until now. Let's use the Fibonacci. From the low to the very high. So guess what? The price is already touching the 38.20. It did touch it. Look at that wick. Now you see the massive rejection wick right there. So that is a good sign as well. That's why I decided to make an entry also on, like, for longer on Nasdaq. I am pretty sure this thing is going to start pushing up. Let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to stretch it and I'm going to try to aim to that. I'll do it. This is like a sniper entry, baby. Just take a look. I mean, that's 122 pips stop loss right there, but I'm taking 1,024 pips. Let's see if it's going to happen. Okay, let's cross our fingers. It's looking really nice right there. Price action first. So let's see where we show the rejection. Yeah, it's kind of holding in this level, in this zone right here. It's an entire zone. It's a very, very big zone. Jeez, it is a very big zone. You can say it's a whole zone right there. Price touch it, reach it again. You can stretch it right there. So it's an entire zone. Boom, 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 boom. This will be the fourth touch right there. And it's just looking beautiful. It has not broken yet the reversal flag formation right there. It has not broken yet. But you see what's happening right there. I was feeling confident. I made an entry somewhere around here. The price was actually, it did push up. It did a pullback, but this was a very deep pullback. It was, I'm pretty sure it was actually cleaning some stop losses right there. So my entry, when the price started to push up and started to come back up on climbing on top of this zone, I made the entry somewhere around this zone. I put the stop loss. I have the stop loss below that wick. It's a little far away. Yeah, I know, because it's kind of, but yeah, that rejection right there is nice. It is really nice. Yeah, kind of holding on a pullback from this push. The price kind of did reach this zone, the 61.8, but it did very deep. Maybe it's scaring people out or making you think this thing is going to continue to the downside, but it didn't. Look at that weak rejection. And then immediately starting to climb back up. So price action right there is telling you this thing is going to go up now. Now, so what do you see on a 1 hour? Are you climbing on top of this zone? Okay. This is a very strong support in the past. It tested a few times as a resistance, and now it broke the resistance. Now it's playing around right there in that zone. So this zone is key. You got to pay attention next week to this zone. You have to pay attention to that zone. Okay, we are kind of like on top of the 4 hour. You see the line, the 4 hour zone. So we are on top. So you see, it's a lot of pressure right there. It doesn't want to push up. It doesn't want to go down. It's a very important zone right here. A lot of pressure right there. So I'm sure this thing is going to end up by, just we're seeing like that on the WMA lines. See right there, it's in a very crucial point right there. So I do believe that this is going to be the behavior. So it's going to push up, pull back, and then it's going to start maybe playing around right here before. I don't think it's going to reach that high that fast. No, I don't think so. this is going to take some time. It could be something like it's going to take a few days. This could be in a certain angle. It's not going to be like that. I don't think so. But this is going to be in a certain angle. So as I was looking, Nasdaq, it's just beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna get like as soon as I see more a breakout right there on Monday, you bet I am getting in stronger. I am getting in stronger. And the stop loss, it's tricky. The stop loss, gotta be careful there because this is already a big distance. You see the size of this flag formation. So let's say you want to enter there. The stop loss, I would put it somewhere around below this area, below this zone. Okay, maybe right there. Okay, I'm gonna look in the past to see maybe this week. You see this week went very low right there. So it's a little too far away. That depends, guys, how much you want to risk in there. And then your take profit, like I mentioned, that's a lot of pips. Already, even from this distance to distances, if you don't like holding entries for too long, you can just take profit right there. So 300 pips. That is a lot of pips in there. So, yep, that's it was going to happen. Now, I just wanted to take a look also at Bitcoin. I completely missed this entry again. I was so scared because Bitcoin moves very different. But look at the formation again. And I was so stupid. I did not put. I should have actually put a buy stop right here. I did not do it. I was somewhere around here. I remember. I think I made right here. I made an entry right here when the price was breaking above this zone. You see this area right there? When the price was breaking, at least I thought it was an actual breakout and this thing was going to start pushing up. I made the entry right there. I was so pissed with this one. Put my stop loss like somewhere around here. And I was aiming my take profit to the high, to this high. I was thinking, you see why entering when you are inside of a flag is dangerous? Because you don't know if that's actually going to be the breakout. The safest way is waiting for the actual breakout. That's it, period. So I made the entry right there soon because I thought, oh, it's breaking now. So this thing might actually start pushing up. So I made the entry there, boom, it lost $20 right there. Stupidly, I should have waited for the actual breakout. And the price, I remember this day when the price was climbing on top right here. If I would have seen this, I remember where, I think it started to push up at midnight. Yeah, this breakout happened at midnight, 2 a.m. in the morning. So, of course, I went to bed like somewhere, like right here, 7. And I should have put a buy stop right there. I should have trusted, and I should have put a buy stop right there. I would have been deep into profits. And it's a beautiful formation, beautiful push. Now it's reaching kind of like this area right here. It's an area right there that is reaching. So it might show reaction. It might fall a little bit. I'm seeing another. This could be another zone right here. Look at it in the past. Multiple touches, rejection. So price might consolidate and maybe do something like this, then like this. Let's see. Let's hope this thing is going to start pushing up. I'm starting to study this Axie thing with this Pokemon thing, similar to Pokemon. I will start implementing this later. You will see. There's a lot of new things coming in for the channel, guys. Good news for the team. So that will be all for this week, guys. So expecting really big movements for next week on Nasdaq and US 30. Let's see. This is how. Oh, I didn't see this. Just be careful, okay? Look at this on a 4 hour. You see, you're starting to see some kind of like a rejection. So this could be a breakout of this 4 hour zone. And so it broke, came back down, retest. It could be doing a retest. Now it could continue to the downside. Okay. So keep an eye in there. If you want to get in on that formation, you have to wait for a 1 hour at least a 1 hour body of the candle closing above before you get in on a buy. Be careful. Alrighty. So, all right, guys. Again, thank you guys for being here. Please subscribe if you're new on the channel. Also follow me on Telegram. I do publish every single thing I do every day, daily, every single day. I send my analysis on the group. Just follow me there, and also you will be seeing the what I do regarding the mentorships and my course that I am providing now. So thank you guys for being here. Take it easy. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.